Hey YouTube, I just want to show you guys my rooster, Zafiro. He's a Phoenix rooster. He's a silver tufted Phoenix rooster. As you guys can see, his tail is growing in. He's a November hatch. So I say he's about a year old. And yeah. The phoenixes, they have blue legs. That's why they call him he's a phoenix. And also because of his bones. But as you guys can see, he's been a little bit sun bleached. Because where I got him, they had him in the sun for a while. But I'm feeding him grains, whole wheat, and Gatorade yogurt from Monap-Pro. He has big spurs, so I'm thinking about reducing them a bit. He's a pretty boy. He's good with the ladies. As you guys can see him in my previous videos that I've been taking pictures of him. He's a pretty good boy. Walk around the yard a little bit. Stretch. As you guys can see, he's over there already, reunited with his girl. Let's get a bit closer of him. There he is. Now the hen is different. She has more of a silverish color. Where is she? There's the hen. These phoenixes are from Japan. They come from the family of Onagadori. They grow long tails, probably I'd say 3 to 5 feet long. Crowing. The female, she lays white eggs. Let's take a look at them. That's the female right there. His tail is good, his short cut. Still growing it. But he's a pretty boy. If you guys live near the Phoenix area, the Phoenix, Arizona area, I recommend you guys check out the feed store. The feed barn. That's where I got this for. They sold them to me for $15. And they sold me this girl for $30. She's kind of the shy one of the group. Now the roosters, if you see another person get near, he'll go after him. But he won't go after me. It's like he almost recognizes his owner. Now the Brahman, the other wild, they're called gentle giants. That's Buddy right there. He's like a son to me because he's friendly with everyone. Everyone likes him. He's my gentle giant. Look at him go. I did not get them from the same feed store. I got them from another feed store. I raised that rooster right there, buddy. Yeah, they're happy campers. I'm gonna build them a new coop, I think, on this Saturday. Saturday, May 4th. I'm gonna build them a new coop with the run and everything. They're gonna be happy. Now they got near the shade area. I'm just trying to keep my distance so they don't run away. Like I said, the phoenixes are pretty shy birds. Many people dub the rooster's home. And many people have them as pets. I have them as pets. And because of the rooster, he mates a lot with the hen. And I've been getting pretty good results with him. The hen, that's as long as she'll grow her tail. Alright, that's it for this film today. Check out my Facebook, facebook.com/BuddiesFarm11, my Twitter @BuddiesFarm, and my YouTube page, BuddiesFarm11. Also check out my website, buddiesfarm.weebly.com, and this is it for today.